Malaga, the capital of the Costa del Sol in southern Spain, is well known for its historical, cultural, and natural landmarks. So if you happen to be in the area, you'll have plenty of major attractions and tourist hotspots to choose from. But what if you're looking for something a bit off the beaten path? No problem, and we have a great suggestion for you. It's ideal if you enjoy gardening or need a fun place for the kids, including on one of those occasional rainy days. So join us on a trip to what's known in Spain as vivero, a nursery. The place we're heading to is about a 30-minute drive from the Malaga metropolitan area. Among the largest such facilities in the region, the Guzman Garden Center is more than just a plant nursery. It's a place where you can find unique botanical offerings, as well as plenty of ideas for home or garden design. The center is renowned for its extensive plant collection that ranges from exotic species to local favorites. Lots of fun discoveries, and not only floral, await you at every turn. You may run into vibrant bromeliads like this dramatic variety called Flaming Sword. Or admire the elegance of lilies. And then in their midst, catch sight of some amusing sculptures. Now, for anyone fascinated by bonsai trees, this area is definitely an exciting place to visit. The Guzman Nursery is also famous for its seasonal decorations during such festive periods as Easter. With its amazing area of cacti and succulents, this section kind of makes you pause and marvel at the creativity of nature. if you're on the lookout for a nice planter, take your time to wander around. And then, if after all this walking you feel like a bite to eat, no worries. You'll find a restaurant, floral themed of course, and a cafe right there.